What up guys, this is Pastor Canal again. We're coming out with another video, another tutorial in JavaScript. We're going to be talking about today, and this video is converting strings and numbers. So a lot of the times we wanna convert the strings into numbers, and then we wanna convert numbers into a string. And let's see this example first of numbers converting into a string. So let's just do let's just do amount equals amount equals to 1 2 3 and the semicolon, and then we'll just choose show message, and let's do the variable name amount. Okay, semicolon at the end, and then we're going to do the variable amount, and then we're going to do equals to amount that to a string method, and the end closing open parenthesis and the semicolon. This number 1 2 3 is going to be converted into a string. Okay, let's save that and refresh our browser, and then we have 1 2 3. But we do a type of, it should tell us what type of, if this is a string or number. So this is a string, it got converted into a string. So what about if we want to do a string to a number? This is a little bit tricky. Okay, let's just do these numbers. Let's just do quotation marks right there. We have that. Let's get rid of this right here, this line of code. Okay, let's save that. But anyway, so right here we're going to be using, in order to convert this string of numbers, a string into a number, we're going to use the object number that we're going to do parse. Actually we're going to do a float. Let's just do 1 2, and then let's do float, and then open and closing parentheses. Let's cut this out from here and just put it inside, and then we should be good. And this should give us, let's see, let's save it and let's refresh our browser, and it give us a number. But if we go to the type of, it's going to tell us that this number, it is a string. Let's save that, and wait, sorry, this is a number. So because we're doing a string to a number, yeah, that this is a number. All right, so that got parsed. Whatever values you have inside here, inside the string, it will be converting into a number. All right, so now if you add letter A in this string and you save it, let's get rid of this type of, save that. It says none, which is, it stands for not a number, right? But what about, you gotta make sure that the on the string always starts with a number, there is no letter. But if you add that letter at the end, if you save it, it will do the job. Okay, successfully we were able to convert that string into a number right here. Alright guys, so thank you for checking the video. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Alright, have a good night, and we'll see you next video. Bye.